Hello po, magandang Sabado ng hapon sa inyo. Yan. It's Saturday afternoon here sa amin sa Nelson, BC, and ayan. Samahan niyo po kami. Ang gagawin po natin okay daw. Ang gagawin po natin ngayon, which is usually na ginagawa po namin sa Sabado talaga. Sabado is grocery day namin, labad day din namin, which is nakapaglaban namin kanina. So pero ngayon this time, mag-grocery tayo. Usually within Nelson lang kami nag-grocery, but this time, medyo lalayo tayo na onte. Magpapakasagar tayo, which is 30 minutes. Hindi naman malayo masyado. 30 minutes drive from Nelson. And then we'll see, maybe after grocery, we'll bigyan natin ng oras yung bagets na mag-park. Tingnan natin kung ano pang pwede natin magawa within, sa araw na to. Ayan, Adi, are you ready? Yeah? And there's Yana. Samahan niyo po kami.
In the distance, dreams unfold. With your love on bold. Every step, a new sight. In your arms, love's light. Beyond the horizon, we explore. In your love, I want more. Oh, every moment, every day. With you, I find my way. Oh, through the unknown, we tread. In your love, I'm led. Every challenge, every fear. With you, love's clear. Beyond the horizon, we explore. In your love, I'll...
Kuha tayo ng cart. Yan. Go. Oh yeah? Is it your first time to go inside? Yan, safety. Hindi ka na magsususanak. Henning, let's go. Oopsie, do you wanna sit here? Let's go. May lista ka ba? Kaya mas $5 per pound. Ay, tinatanggal yung ano ko, oh. Ikaw na mag-ride? Paano ka mag-ride? Ha? Nagre-reklamo yung panganay ko, nilalamig daw siya. So, kunin muna natin yung jacket. Jacket sa... sakyan. Ito lang yata pinaka-exit. Banana. Ano kasi, dito kay Adi-Adi, 2.50% each. Oh, you want this? Yes? Ito rin. Mas marami pa dito. Chocolate banana, chocolate chip. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. You don't throw it. So, it's the chocolate. Chocolate banana. Look at this. I got you this. $3.50 na lang. For school, yeah? Yep. Those are nice. Those are organics. Organic. Your lunchbox. So we will put it. We will open it. Okay, I'll move it forward. Oh yeah. What are those? Those are actually toys. Yeah? $2. So mas marami silang karne tsaka produce dito. ko pala dun sa wholesale namin sa Nelson. Ayan. 10 minutes. Sige. Barbecue bar. Or gusto mo itong ano? Honey garlic. Ayun, may nakasil na ano, na yogurts na. Sabi, ayun o, 650. Source. Ano bang nangyayari? Meron ka ba sa doon?
Meron. Pero konti na lang sa
Tingnan mo yung ano. Okay lang yan basta yung expiry date. Okay ba yung 25?
Kasi parang wala ka sa ato.
Ano, do you want this? Ah, that's it.
You want this or you want to change your yogurt?
I want that.
Okay, sige.
May ano din naman doon. Yung plate. Source. Ay, passing din pala. Okay. Nakadoble ka na? Ha? Iwi! Let's go. Let's go. Wala pa hindi pa. Spread dressing. Storage. Ano pa ba kailangan? Ha?
Kanin mas siguro.
May rice pa tayo, di ba? I think meron pa tayo, di ba? Ah, niluto mo na ba? Watch out. Ayun o. Apartay pa tayo dito. Yan. Pak na nag-counter. Mangoes. Ha? Ayan, parang ano, substitute sa pizza. I don't know. Kung gusto niya yan. Magugustuhan niya. Anong flavor yan?
Bakit ka ba? Ano bang gusto mo? Meron pa din eh. Medium. Or gusto mo mayo?
Hindi, okay lang ito medium. Isa lang ba? Sorry.
Dalawa na lang ba?
Wala ba sila yung ano? Di ba may yung parang yung ano, yung ayun, multigrain, no? Para hindi masyado nakakaano.
Saan ito?
Hindi, ito.
Oh.
Hindi masyado nakaka-guilty. Ah, di ba? Pero ganun din actually. Okay na yan. Ay, nag-ano ka ng ano? Okay, baliktad na tayo, anak. Ayan, si Sarah dyan, ha? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Say go! Wee! Kahit ano. Okay, we're blocking the way. Thank you, tatay. We're done. Ito pa tayo mag-grocery. Ayan. Antayin lang natin sila mama at si Ate Adi kasi nag-toilet si Ate Adi. Okay, wait. May likod. Balin. Wala makawan ko. Isa eh. Okay. Yan, tapos na po tayo mag-grocery tapos Ate Ali, how are you feeling? Yaning! There's Yaning and there's Mama. Ayan. Punta po tayo ng park. Punta tayo ng Kingsman Park. Ayan, first time din namin ito. Yup. First time din namin pumunta doon. So, samahan niyo po kami.
In the distance, dreams unfold. With your love, I'm bold. Every step, a new sight. In your arms, love's light. Beyond the horizon, we explore. In your love, I want more. Oh, every moment, every day. With you, I find my way. Oh, through the unknown, we tread. In your love, I'm led. Every challenge, every fear. With you, love's clear. Beyond the horizon, we explore.
Excited na yung isa. Excited na yung isa. Excited din ako ni Ning. At mama, opo niya, we're going to the playground.
You excited? I'm parking on. I'm parking on.
Excited, E? Melody, are you excited, E?
Teka mo yung tatay o yung wife.
Mama. Our first time here. Malawak din naman. Malawak din naman pala. Doon na lang sa kabila. Diretso na lang. Spray park to. Pero syempre ngayon medyo malamig na dito. Kaya hindi na kami mag spray park. All season na. So, yun na, excited yung isa. Excited na yung isa. Ningning, excited na si Ningning? Are you excited? Huh? Yeah? You excited?
May truck o two truck.
Oh yeah. Go yan. Say hi. Say hi to them, say hi to them. Say hi to them. Wait mo na. Wait mo na. I'll fix your pants. Here, go. Go. Yeah. Daddy excited na. Okay, just be careful. Yep. Look at Yaning.
I wanna go see that.
Okay. Gonna go there? Gonna go with Ate Adi? Come here.
Yeah, you wanna ride with ate?
Driving away.
Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep.
After way there.
Yay! Ayan na. Beep 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 beep. Beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Mas maganda pa rin yung millennial. Millennial, millennium. Millennium. Come here, go. Parang ordinary lang siya na. I mean, the usual park. Pero mas maganda yung pinupunta. May isa pa kami pinupuntahan dito sa Castle Garden. Yung Millennium ba? Millennium Park. Yan mas maganda. Yan mas marami. Mag-enjoy pati kahit matatanda. Young at hearts. Yaning! Go! Yaning wants to ride talaga there. You wanna go up? You wanna go up? Yes? You wanna go up? Yes? Yeah? You wanna go up? Tama na, nakapark na tayo din. Yana is driving. Yan si Ate Adi yung passenger.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive with you. Tatay, I'm gonna drive.
Okay, go. Yan yan.
Tatay, may steering wheel doon sa taas. Doon.
Meron doon?
May doon.
Oh yeah, I see it now. You wanna go there?
Yes, I do this already.
Kung hindi na matanggal dito, hindi na maalis-alis dito. Yan. Ito na yung favorite spot niya. Kahit nandun yung Ate Adi niya at yung mama niya. Water. Yeah, that's the spray park over there. Paano si Barry? Oh, hold. Hold. Good. Nah. Yeah.
Go, Addy. Blow, Yana.
Ito na yung challenging part. Ayun na. Transition time. Let's go.
No, I don't wanna go. I wanna blow bubble.
Oh, 3 more. Sige na, then we're going.
Come here. We're going, Yanning. Ayan, tapos na po tayo sa play park. Sa playtime natin sa park. Ayan. Ayan na sa Ate Adi. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, I don't wanna go.
But wait, there's time and place for everything. Now it's time for us to eat. So punta tayo sa may bago pong let's fix it later, okay? May bago pong bukas dito sa Castlegar. Wendy's. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Sa Wendy's, ayan, may bagong Wednesday Wendy's dito na bukas pupuntahan po namin. Yung last namin ng Wendy's, last namin ng Wendy's ay sa Pintik Tunta. Alam niyo naman po, nasa medyo bukid-bukid kami, kaya and sa Nelson wala talagang fast food kasi they're trying to promote local businesses. So parang binablock nila. Ang meron kami doon Subway and A&W. Yun lang. So yeah, samahan niyo po kami, punta kami ng Wendy's! Yay! So yan nga. Nauna sila Ate Adi doon sa si Mama. Pinipilahan pa nung September, if I'm not mistaken, September 22 to na bukas dito sa Castlegar. So hot pink pa siya ngayon. Kahit yung driver nila medyo pigla pa. Ayan. Kanina nakapila din kami dyan pero papark sana sa loob. Pero we realized pagpapark kami dyan sa loob, dahil ang daming nagda-drive through, mahihirapan kaming lumabas. Baka mahirapan kaming lumabas. Kaya doon na lang kami ng park. Yan na. Wendy's. Tingnan natin kung gaano sila ka-busy. pala sabi ko kanina when this Wednesday, when this kasi
This one is yours. One lang kaya.
ito pala yung promo nila ngayon. Promo merch.
This one is yours.
Merch. Ito, balik na po tayo sa sasakyan natin. Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Thank you Lord.
Yeah,
We're going home.
are you going
Grabe, pila pa rin yung drive-thru nila. Although mabilis naman yung service, mabilis yung pagkain. Kaya ako na din, box na din. Say bye! Kiss! Kiss! Ay, sis.
In the distance, dreams unfold. With your love, I'm bold. Every step on your side. In your arms, love's light. Beyond the horizon, we explore. In your love, I want more. Oh, every moment, every day. With you, I find my way. Oh, through the unknown, we tread. In your love, I'm led. Every challenge, every fear. With you, love's clear.
And we're here! We're back in Nelson! Adi, yay! Isa doon, nag-iiyak-iyak kanina. Oh, ayan na, ayan na. Thank you po for joining us today. Till our next video.
Salamat!
Bye! Say bye, Adi!
Bye.
Bye, Anna! Bye! Say bye!